Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make an image circular on Wix. So what we're going to do, we're going to the left-handed menu first and add our image, and then I'm going to show you how to make it circular. So we're going to add an element, we're going to add an image, we're going to click on upload image and then upload it from our computer. Here is the image that I want to make circular. So I chose this specifically to show you if I can make it circular around the moon itself. So we will wait for the image to upload and then easily crop it. Here is our image. We're going to click on add to page, adjust the image the way we want it. Here is the image. As you can see, it's pretty long and I only want to focus it. I want it to be circular only around the moon. So we're going to click on the image and get this mini taskbar right here. We're going to click on this brush icon that says design. It's the same way that you add a frame to your picture. So we're going to click on any type of frame. As you can see here, you have some type of a bold black frame. We're going to choose the most simple one right here. After choosing it, as you can see, it's not actually circular, it's more of an oval shape. So we're going to adjust it right here. But as you can see, the moon is not what I want it to be. I want it to be in the center. So we're going to go back to this mini taskbar to find this crop tool. In the crop tool, we can easily drag the image where we want it to be. So I can just do this. So you can focus down here or up here. So I want it to be in the center. And then I'm going to click on apply. As you can see, here is our image. Thank you for watching.